Good morning, everyone. Today is August 20th, and today is our review day. Your culminating has been released at midnight earlier today. So some of you hopefully have started it, taking a look. Don't forget, though, your quest number 2 is due by tonight at 11:59 p.m. Some students, for some reason, did not finish or complete their quest number 1 yesterday, which was due yesterday at 11:59 p.m. So, yep, I'm not sure why students aren't completing their assignments when clearly I'm trying my best to remind you all every single day. But yeah, it's up to you. It's your decision. But yeah, so today, make sure you complete Unit 5, Quest number 2. And that's it. Now it's just the culminating. Nothing else left to do except for the final culminating. And that's due on August 22nd, which is also the full disclosure date. Remember, if you do not drop the course before this date or on this date, then the final mark will be on your transcript. And then on 23rd, which is Friday, I believe, your part B of the culminating will be released. And that will be due at noon. So you only get 1 day to do this. Sorry, you get less than a day to do this, actually. You only get 12 hours. You only get from midnight to noon. So be very careful with this. This is a multiple choice. Part B is just a multiple choice section, so it shouldn't take you that long. You don't have to upload any files. It's just like under the quizzes section. So part B, that's why you don't have as much time, is because there's no actual showing your work, writing down information, uploading any files. It's just multiple choice, clicking A, B, C, or D, and then that's it. We're done. So yeah, just a few more days and everything's going to be done. So let's talk about some culminating. Today I've decided to ask you guys what you would like to do. Is there anything specific you want me to talk about? Are there any questions? So remember, take a look in this nice calendar here. And this tells you when stuff is due. So culminating part A is released. Right now you can open it up and you can take a look at it and you can start working on it. There's no time limit for assignments until the deadline Dropbox closes, right? So the Dropbox will close at noon. So it's due at 12 noon on August 22nd. So I mentioned this yesterday, that you have 60 hours to do this. 60 hours. Now you don't need 60 hours, but that's how much time we've given. So everyone should be able to complete this culminating within the 60 hours time limit. So it's not due at midnight. It's not due at 11:59 p.m. So don't get confused. Oh my gosh, I have all day August 22nd. I'll just start it at 1 p.m. If you think you can do that, you're gonna get a 0, because guess what? Dropbox closes at 12. So be very careful. Please start it today. Please work on it tomorrow. My recommendation is try to finish it tomorrow, to be honest. Like, don't even wait till August 22nd, because I know a lot of students are going to wait till August 22nd, and they're going to, oh snap, it's due at noon. And if it's due at noon, you may not finish, because you may not even wake up before that time. Because look at this announcement. So, you have reached the final evaluation of this course. This portion of the culminating activity will be written. To ensure success, please adhere to the following guidelines. All work is to be your own individual work. Clearly handwrite your answers in the space provided. Full solutions are required for full marks. You may print the culminating activity, write on it, scan it, submit it, or digitally write on it. Or you can write your solutions on a paper with clear notation of question number and sequence. No graphing software is to be used. Graph must be drawn by hand. Use concepts and conventions discussed in our class. Failure to do so will result in a mark of 0 for that question. This includes following. So this is important. I've been a little bit lenient when it comes to domain and range. But for the culminating, I'm going to tell you right now that you must state your domain name range in set notation. Now, if you don't know what set notation is,